Isee hair. Slay all day. Yeah, I said slay all day. Yep, we slay all day. We don't play because we always slay. Period. What's good in the mother freaking hood, slay gang? Yes, I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about Isee hair. Yes, honey, long overdue. Okay. So before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to become a part of the Slay Gang. Flyest gang, period. What you doing? Stay up to date with the videos I post, period. And become a part of the Slay Gang, honey. Okay, so let's get into the video. So, this Isee hair came in FedEx, and y'all, I'm not kidding y'all when I say this hair probably took like 3 days, 3 or 4 days, for real. So I got 3 bundles of 26. I got a frontal coming in the mail, but I didn't order the frontal from Isee hair because I wanted a 13 by 6, and Isee hair only had 13 by 4s. So yeah, stay tuned for that video as well. But yeah, honey, it's Isee hair, AliExpress Isee hair. It gives us this email, and I guess they're texting WhatsApp. Yeah, just a little card, and real cute like. Came with some lashes. Yup, real cute like. So let's get into these bundles, child. So again, I got 3 bundles of 26. 1, 2, 30. Honestly, I could have got away with getting 28s, cause I wanted my hair long, honey, long. Okay. So I'm gonna open up all these bundles. I'm even gonna wet one because I just feel like maybe they not the exact length. What y'all think? Okay, this supposed to be 26 inches. I mean, I feel like it's 26 stretch. It just look kind of short to me, y'all. Look kind of short, but it's real pretty, real pretty. And I could have got away with 4, but before I judge the thickness of it, I'm gonna wet it and brush it with y'all so y'all can see it. Wefts look good, honey. Look real good. Your best choice. That's what they said. Now, don't disappoint me, okay? But yeah, let me open up the other 2. I got all 26s, so yeah. And let me show y'all the construction of it too. Like, it come real cute. Got a little bag at the end, and again I said 26, baby. Okay. Yeah, honey, I'm ready, too ready for this, cause this is my little vacation here, baby, cause I'm going on a little trip real soon, real soon. So these are 2 of them together, and they're 26s. Let me open the last one so y'all can see before I wet one of them to see how it's going, the length, stretch, and stuff like that. Because I just want to make sure I got a true 26 now, baby. Okay. like I said, the wefts look good too. Y'all, I've been getting so many emails and stuff from school. I'm getting closer and closer to the edge. Baby, bye. Okay, so I'm going to test the shedding and see how it do when I rub my fingers and stuff through. I got a rub band right here. So, rub my fingers through. Of course, it's going to be a little hard to run your fingers through. I mean, it's curly hair, baby. Like, let's not get it twisted. Okay, so, yes, honey. Y'all, it's something about me. I just love texture hair. Like, I love texture hair. Don't get me wrong though. I like straight hair too. Yeah, I ain't getting no shedding so far, y'all, and I'm getting naps, but I ain't getting shedding. Oh, his hair's so pretty. I just can't wait. Can't wait to install it, honey. And I'm gonna make this hair into a wig, y'all. Yes. Get into it, baby. Get into it. Okay, so sorry, y'all. My babe don't feel good. Okay, so now I'm gonna wet the hair and let y'all see it. Okay, this is it in its, I wouldn't even say natural state, but I'm gonna say process state, because this is not how the curl is gonna look once I wet it and brush it and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on it just so we can see like the texture of it, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm just gonna spray, get it good and a little saturated, and then I'm gonna brush it from the end. Come on now. See how it's twirling around each other? Yeah, this finna be fire. This is finna be too cute. Yes, honey. And also, of course, the hair got a smell, but I'm gonna shampoo my hair. I'm gonna wash and shampoo and condition it probably today, and then do my frontal a separate day. Yeah, I'm probably gonna wash this because, especially with everything going on, I'm gonna wash it so that way it can be clean before I put it in my head. So yeah, like I said, also the company I bought the hair from was very good with communicating with me, and like I said, it took no time to send me the hair. I'm talking about like no time, like for real. I'm just excited to put it in at this point. So yeah, stay tuned for my frontal packaging video, cause honey, it's gonna be lit, baby. It's gonna be lit. And stay tuned for my installing it video as well, because it's gonna be lit. I might end up buying an extra bundle. I don't know yet, because I like my hair to be full, but I really think it might end up being okay. I think this will be okay. Like I said, I got all 26s, so I think it's gonna be okay. I think it's gonna be fine. So, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to become a part of the Slay Gang, Flyest Gang, period. And stay tuned for upcoming videos. Bye.